YouTubers. Here's my first fireworks stash of 2013. Start off with, I just got M800 firecrackers. They're pretty loud, they're alright. Then I got an assortment of bottle rockets. Then some are Firehawk rockets. Yeah, nothing big. Just some bottle rockets. I like bottle rockets. And it was buy one get two free, like always, when I go. So that's why I have 3 of everything. Screeching Crackler rocket. I have an assortment of Roman candles. Three more boxes of firecrackers. For my cakes, I got night fishing, 25 shot. Looked like a cool one. Solar wind. There's 8 shots of silver comets. Then red wave, same thing on either red mines. I'm gonna make a display with this, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have 2 of these on both sides, then the silver one in the middle. I think it'd make a pretty cool effect. Red on both sides and the silver right in the middle. See how that works out. Post a video of that when it's done. This is all for my graduation party. I recently graduated, class of 2013. Heck yeah. I have a regular box of artillery shells. Whistle blaster, they all whistle. Pretty neat. And then ninja artillery shells. Each one does a different thing. I like those. Last year when I got them. I got tubes this year. Number 300 tubes. 3 inches. Real nice and big. Got crackling diamond. I got red, purple, and blue. 3 different colors. I think that looked cool. Excited for those. Then for the big ones, Asian quads. Each one burst 4 times. I'm gonna have all those go off for my finale. Make a pretty nice big finale. Yep, so that's all I got for now. I'll post a video of my display when I do it at my graduation party. Just leave a comment below. Thanks, guys.